To set up fingerprint unlock on Oppo A6 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down and here select the security and privacy options. Now navigate down until you find the device unlock, and then when you enter it you'll be able to perform fingerprint setup. Click on the fingerprint right here, make sure to agree, and then enter your current password for a screen lock. Now we can add our fingerprint scan, and to do it you will need to tap this button right here. That is the fingerprint scanner, and you need to do it from multiple different angles of one of your fingers. So it should look like something. It should look something like that. And we're done, our fingerprint is set up. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.